Hello, welcome to DVC Spring 2019 Math 182-1204 Calculus for Management, Life Science, and Social Science Part 1. My name is Kwai Chan. I am going to go over some of the information for this course before school starts. The four things that I'll go over is first, textbook, second, online homework, third, calculator, and then finally, Canvas, where all the files are stored. So first, textbook. So this is the cover or how the textbook would look like if you buy it through Amazon. And this is the name. That's the real name. Is Applied Calculus for Business Economics and the Social and Life Science by Hoffman. 11th edition. And this is the ISBN. If you are to buy it through the bookstore, they don't show this name. They just say it is Math 182 or 183 with Connect Math custom tags. So this is what should be what you get from the bookstore and with a different ISBN number. For this course, I do not require a physical textbook, although all material will be followed according to these books. I don't require a physical one. If you actually want to buy one, you can go to the bookstore to buy it or Amazon. So these are the costs. In Amazon, if it's just a new book, it's around $123. In the bookstore is $135, but the $135 include access to Connect Math, so it's a good deal. I don't think they sell standalone one, but it's pretty good because they also had a solution manual, a partial solution manual, not a full solution manual. So how do I sign up for Connect Math? Oh, the reason why I do not need you to buy a physical book is you can get the ebook from the online system. So how do I sign up for the online system called Connect Math? You need a class code. The class code is here, D9P9K G4WJC. This paper, this file is also on Canvas. So how do I do it? I'm going to go over it with you. So you go to a browser, you open up Connect Math, or you open up a Google search, do Connect Math, you go to a Connect Math, sign in. If you do not have a ID yet, you do sign up to get an ID by providing a class code. The class code was, that's what I just say, D9P9K. I think you don't have to worry about capital G4WJC. And then you say continue. It would confirm that this is the class that you're signing up, and this is where you determine if you have an account before. If you've never used Connect Math, you go to next or go to continue to sign up a new one. The important thing you need to show is your first and last name, your email address, optional student ID, password, and then click I agree. And after that, they will generate an account for you. So you do not use your email to log on. You use an account that they generate for you. For me, because I have tried this before, so I have a dummy student account that I set up through a Gmail that I use. And I use my password to sign in. And you do continue, so that will skip the registration process. And then when you sign in, you'll see this a screen, or after your registration, you say go to your course, you will see this screen with all this bubbles, so or light bulb, so you can turn it off, turn it back on. So the light bulb is to help you around. So this would be the course that you see. If you want to extend your access, that's what you do. For people that are signing in the first time, when you sign up and get into a access, they will ask you for the access code. You will enter the financial aid access code, which will give you 14-day free access. So the free access code is here, 30826 43EF7 0D5734055E. If you use this would give you 2 weeks for free access. Okay, I have set it up already, so I don't have to enter it here. So go back to your class. So after you enter the financial aid access code, it's free, and then before 2 weeks expire, you click the extend access. They will get back. They will change it into a permanent access. So if you click on it, you will do homework. Before we do homework, I want you to go over the you can manage my class by going back to the course. You can also do settings to manage your account by changing password, etc. But most of the time you would do homework. To get this to work, I think you have to disable pop-up blocker. You have to run Flash, and so let's try. So I have tried this homework 1.1 before, so you just click on it and you say continue. When is this homework due? The due date is in the initial screen. Okay, so if I exit from here, I go back to the initial screen where they have the list of homework. So beneath the continued assignment or do the assignment, this is the due date. So most of the due dates are Monday midnight. Okay, if you pass the Monday midnight of the due date and you haven't finished or you want to continue to do it, you can do it until the end of the semester. But after the due date, I would have the options to grade the homework and put the grade on Canvas, and I won't go back to look at it. So try to finish it before the due date. So the question numbers are all here. Question 1 to 10. After you finish one, you move on to the next one. So in the first section, you have 18 questions. You go through them one by one. Something that is really nice for these systems is if you don't know what to do, you click show an example. The example pop-up will show up, and they actually have a question that is very similar to what you will be doing, and showing you step-by-step instruction on what you should do. Okay, so there's no excuse as to I don't know how to do a question because there's no example in the textbooks. Every single question have an example. This button, Ask My Instructor, will send you to a kind of like a mail format thing where you will send me an email for whatever question you have on that particular question. After you're done with your putting in your answer, so say for example, I don't know what the answer is, let's say 4. And then I can do check, or you can do a check answer here. If it doesn't work, you try again. If it still doesn't work, you can say I give up. Just solve it for me to see. So you can also do that to have the whole question solved in front of you to see how they do it. So it's very similar to show me an example. But after you do that, you would have to try another to redo with a question with new numbers. So that's how you do homework. Once you're done, you can either save for later for this question, or you can submit the assignment where it's ready for grade. And the second thing you should do is look at ebook. So this is how you open up your ebook. So the whole book is here, and you can read it. Okay. If you have any question, you can press help. So right now, I think I can log out. I think the system is pretty good. It has tons of example. It tells you that you did something wrong if your answer is incorrect, so you don't have to go to the solution menu. I think there's something that I want to go over that I haven't. What is it? 566? Yeah, I forgot to mention this, and which is, so if I click on this, other than doing your homework and looking at ebook, there is this resources that is very useful. So under resources, there's practice question. So this is, they actually had a prerequisite skills homework that you can do in case your algebra is really rusty. You can use this to work on your practice. I don't grade this. It doesn't affect your grade book or your grade. And this is function 1 or section 1 or chapter 1's or homework. So what happened is they will select 49 questions. I select 18, but they select all 49 questions. And when you look at this, you can actually see question that I did not select, but all the examples for all these selected question will be there. So in case you want to look at how to do a question that maybe I show up in the board, but I didn't assign the homework, but is in the textbook, but you don't have the solution manual. Even some of the odd, so even number questions are here, some, but not all. So like this section, exercise 1.1 section, exercise 14, they have guided solution and show examples. So you can use it to practice. You can submit it, but I don't look at this practice. So this is a good source of kind of like a mini solution manual for most of the questions that they have. Okay, so that's something that I want to do. I want to show you. Oh, the third thing is calculator. So if possible, if money is not a problem, or you have access to a TI-83, 84 graphing calculator, of course this is better. 83 is good enough. They have graphing and they have more user-friendly keys. If not, the minimal would be a TI-30 2S, a scientific calculator that has log and also exponent or ln available. These two are also a scientific calculator. They are more fancy, easier to do fraction. The cheapest one is TI-30X, so get this day one. So you need to have a scientific or a graphing calculator every day. What else? Oh, Canvas. So in case you need to get a hold of material that is you need to use, like syllabus and how to sign up, you log on to Canvas with your web advisor ID. So this is my name. It's my account, but I can change it into a student view so you can see how it look like if you log on. So when you log on, you will see announcement, you will see syllabus, Connect Math sign up instruction, where you can find the code, the recommended calculator list, and the link to sign up or sign in to Connect Math. So for signing in, the most important thing is to know these two numbers, right? The course code and also the financial aid access code. Okay. The other thing that is useful in this is if sometimes I file formula sheets, worksheets. It's great because grade will not be on Connect Math. Connect Math is just a homework system. I put all the grades in Canvas, so you can check grade here. So that's pretty much what you need to do. I guess get a calculator, figure out how you want to sign up for Connect Math. Do you want to pay online? Because in Connect Math, after you get your 14-day temporary access, you can extend it by paying online, which is, I think I have a file here. Connect Math sign up. No, this one, no. I think if you sign up through Connect Math, you pay $100 or so, but if you buy the textbook from the bookstore, it's $135, but then you have the tax. So figure out what you want to do, but you can sign up for 2 weeks temporary access. So if there's any question, email me kchan@olonli.edu. Otherwise, I'll see you January 29th, Tuesday.